Dreaming of taking a bath often indicates that a person is ready to leave something behind in their life. This is because water in dreams symbolizes not only cleanliness, but also emotional renewal and inner peace. Therefore, having such a dream may indicate that you have entered a process of mental change. If you dream about taking a long bath, it shows that you are starting to distance yourself from the thoughts that have been weighing you down in your life. Perhaps recent events have worn you out, and you are now seeking inner relief. This dream indicates that your mind is beginning to recover. Seeing yourself washing with clean and clear water in a dream is generally interpreted positively. This situation indicates that your troubles will ease and a calmer period will begin in your life. At the same time, this dream also indicates that the mistakes you made in the past no longer affect you as much as they used to. If you feel peaceful while bathing in your dream, this is a very powerful sign. This dream indicates that things are starting to fall into place in your inner world and that you are recovering emotionally. Sometimes people release feelings they cannot express in real life by cleansing themselves in their dreams. Dreaming of taking a bath and feeling clean can also indicate, according to some interpretations, that you are ready for a new beginning. This could be a job change, a new decision, or choosing a different direction in life. Your subconscious may be telling you that you can let go of old burdens and move forward more lightly. For those in debt, it signifies that it will end soon. If you dream of taking a bath but feel unclean, it indicates that there is still an unresolved issue on your mind. Perhaps a matter has not been settled, or there is a thought that bothers you deep down. This dream may suggest that it is time to face certain things. In general, taking a bath in a dream is considered one of the powerful dreams that signify renewal, purification, and preparing to turn a new page in your life. Most of the time, this dream shows that a person has entered a process of rebuilding themselves. How was your dream? Write your interpretation in the comments.